I'm Carter Farrell, Vice President of Engineering at ActivWall. I'd like to show off one of our newest products. This is our new Tilt+Turn window system as part of our new AL76 product system. It features superior energy efficiency over our legacy products. Now this is a really cool product because it combines the features of a hinged casement window with the latest in European hardware technology to provide a tilting function for superior air ventilation and circulation. This product also features a built-in standard window screen for bug prevention, concealed fastening channels to hide any unsightly screw heads. We'd love to make one of these for your unique space. Visit ActivWall.com for more information or to request a quote.